Welcome to Muscat in Oman, and we're here at the Al Husn Resort and Spa. Welcome to Rog Vlog. As you know, I travel a lot on business, and however beautiful the destination, sometimes you know you're going to be stuck in a meeting room or a conference hall for days and days on end. It makes travel so much more rewarding when you have a beautiful hotel and possibly a gorgeous beach at your destination. I loved the architecture of the Al Husn as soon as I saw it. Lots of Arabic arches and beautiful pastel colours. It's crisp and cool in this lounge, which is a welcome relief from the blazing heat outside. Unlike Dubai and Abu Dhabi, which are quite flat, Oman has stunning scenery, mountains, rocky outcrops. In fact, just over here, we've got rocks that look like Sydney Opera House. Right in the centre of the hotel is this magnificent courtyard leading straight down to the most amazing view to the infinity pool and the beach and the sea beyond. It's only 9 AM and it's already 100 degrees out here in the sun. That's about 35 centigrade for those of you who prefer centigrade. When it's as hot as that, there's only one thing to do. Let's get ourselves into that infinity pool.
Oh, good.
Playing with a GoPro brings out my inner child. Down by the pool, every day, we get one of these little ice cooling boxes. And inside, plenty of water to keep us cool. And the best thing of all, refreshing face spray. Say hello to my little friend. These colourful goats are all around the resort. They're part of the Muscat Art Festival. It reminds me of a similar exercise that took place in Edinburgh a few years ago. Only that was with cows. And this goat behind me has got a serious case of sunburn. We have a beautiful, big, bright, spacious room. And in fact, this is actually a bog standard room. Over here, we have window opening onto the swimming pool. So what do we think of the Al Husn then?
It's hot.
What have we been doing since we've been here?
Chilling.
Every day we walk down to the beach bar, which is called Mahara, for lunch. They do fabulous barbecue food.
It's amazing.
After lunch, we're going down to the beach. Oh, I do love a swimming pool, but you cannot beat the ocean. Now we're off to the souk.
To spend some money.
To spend some money. So this is the city of Muscat. Here we are inside the souk, and the smells of the spices and the frankincense burning, amazing. If you want to learn how to become an amazing salesman, you just learn how to do it here. They just sold us shawls, cashmere, Louis Vuitton, was it?
Louis Vuitton.
Do you reckon it really was Louis Vuitton?
Probably not.
As the sun sets in the early evening, we're heading back to the courtyard where they serve free drinks. Sometimes they have a traditional band playing. Tonight, we have a cellist and a violin player. They really are very good. They've just done a great version of Mamma Mia by ABBA. Now, I wonder whether they'll play Thunderstruck by AC/DC for me. Where are we going today?
To the lazy river.
Yeah, there's a lazy river nearby, but so far in the holiday, we've been too lazy to walk to it. Don't forget, it's still 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 35 degrees centigrade. It's taking Mrs. E a little while to catch up. In the evening, you're spoilt for choice for food options. If you want gourmet fine dining, try Shahrazad or the Sultana restaurant. However, there's also a buffet with types of food from all over the world to choose from. And after dinner, wander along to the piano bar, have a G&T and just listen to the girls singing and playing. Oh, we've had a fabulous week here at the Al Husn Resort and Spa. And I'm going to go out on a limb here. Even though we've stayed in more luxurious hotels, and obviously some dumps as well, and we've stayed in more expensive hotels, and of course cheaper ones, the combination of the beautiful location, the amazing restaurants, the facilities, the amazing staff, puts the Al Husn Resort and Spa up there with the best hotels I've ever stayed in. If you enjoyed this episode of Rog Vlog, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. In the meantime, tell me, what's your favourite luxury hotel destination?